Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change a turn signal bulb on a Jeep Wrangler JK 2016, but I believe all the JKs are the same. So before we start, I like to turn my wheel to the side, towards the side that I'm working, so I have more room. And to access the blinker, turn signal, indicator, whatever you want to call it, there's this, you just go behind here, there's this little harness. Just word of warning, be very gentle when you're doing this. So some people don't like to, I'll just tuck that up in here, it was an old harness. Some people don't like to take the harness off to work, but you're gonna have to turn this towards the ground. So all you have to do is there's this little tab right here, and you just lift it up and you'll hear that click, and you just pull it out very, very gently. Okay, move that out of the way. And to change the bulb, we're just gonna turn this down, the receptacle down. So it's like a half turn, and that comes out, and you'll just see the bulb. So whatever bulb, I have an aftermarket turn signals, but whatever bulb number it is, so it just pops out. Sometimes, I'll show you. There's this little tab right here. Again, you would just, if you want to get a flathead screwdriver, or you just push it down with your thumb like that, the bulb comes right out of the receptacle, and you just look at what kind of bulb you need. So we're just going to replace that bulb, and you easily just click it back in. Okay, you know, to get it out, you just pull this tab down. See, I could even do this one-handed. Pull this tab down, clicks out, okay? So put the new one in. If I don't break it first. Remember, everything very gentle. So to get this back in, you're gonna see, you're just gonna put it in the same way it came out, but you're gonna see these grooves right here, and there's grooves within the turn signal receptacle back here. Just get that harness out of the way. That's why I like to take the harness off, because you don't want to tug on this harness. I've broken one before because I was being too rough with it. They're very delicate, so really you want to turn this all the way down towards the ground, how we had it out, and you're just gonna pop it right back up. And then for the harness, again, you don't want to be, you know, be graceful with it. All you're gonna do is gently push until you hear a click. So you're not forcing anything, you're not, you know, pushing this tab in to lock it. It's going to lock. See, if I just push it lightly, it doesn't lock. It comes right out. You don't want that when you're driving. It's gonna fall. So all you do is push it very, you know, give it a push. And you hear that click. Now it's not gonna fall out. So that's how to change just the turn signal bulb, the indicator light on the front. You don't need to replace the whole receptacle if just the bulb is out. Sometimes also, if you're having light troubles, it's going to be this harness right here. I went through 2 of them. So they're very, very delicate. You don't want to yank. You never want to yank on the harness part. Excuse me. You know, you just want to gently lift this tab up till it clicks and lightly pull it out, okay? And then to push it back in, just give it a push. And you hear that light click, and you shouldn't be able to pull it out, okay? That means it's locked in.